The man who went viral for starting a fire in the Ontario warehouse where he worked appeared in court today. The employee entering his plea in front of a judge. Inland Empire Bureau Chief Rob McMillan has the latest from the courtroom.
Kamel Abdul Karim pleading not guilty to charges of aggravated arson today, accused of setting fire to an Ontario warehouse where he worked last week, causing more than $500 million in damage. Abdul Karim was an employee there. On social media, this video, which is part of the police investigation, showing paper products being set on fire.
If you're not going to pay us enough to live or afford to live, at least pay us enough not to do this.
Not only is he facing 10 years to life in prison if convicted on state charges, but he's facing federal charges as well. At the scene today, the Federal Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms assisting with the investigation. Heavy equipment operating inside what's left of the building. Now a mountain of rubble. Some areas still smoldering. Some of the outer walls appear to be buckling. All of this damage allegedly caused by one man.
This act of violence apparently was driven by his hostility to capitalism and corporations.
At a news conference last Friday, First Assistant U.S. Attorney Bill Lasaley describing text messages and phone calls allegedly made by the defendant to his co-workers.
The defendant wrote, quote, "All you had to do was pay us enough to live, pay us more of the value we bring, not corporations. Didn't see the shareholders picking up a shift," unquote. In a phone call to one witness, the defendant compared himself to Luigi Mangione.
Eyewitness News reached out to a family member of Abdul Karim's, but he chose not to comment. We also spoke with one of the employees here, now out of work after the fire. He told us he estimates hundreds of people are now looking for new jobs because of what happened. Abdul Karim will be back in court early next month. For now, he remains behind bars, no bail. In Ontario, Rob McMillan, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.